Welcome to another customer story. Today we will be reviewing how Javelin and DECT optimize large assembly performance and data management with SOLIDWORKS and PDM together, accelerating file opening times from 30 minutes to a few minutes and a few minutes to a few seconds. DECT has been operating for about 9 years with a dynamic team and startup culture. At the beginning, they were focused on designing truck bed drawer systems and accessories, but have expanded product offerings including mobile tool storage and integrated ladders. Located in Ketchum, Idaho, they have grown to a team of 70 and are on track to sell 50,000 drawer systems this year. When they're creating the drawer system models or their designs, the OEMs supply massive, detailed models of their truck beds. Combining the size of the OEM's models with DECT's models creates an assembly comprised of thousands of parts that must be configurable. If these large assemblies aren't optimized, waiting on them to open will be a standard practice and hinder operations, especially when multiple team members use them. According to Calvin Allen, Principal Product Development at DECT, customization is our magic, and it's the key to our profitability. Our configurable SOLIDWORKS models need to be updated quickly. I knew we needed to go deeper into how SOLIDWORKS is running and learn how to optimize accordingly. When Javelin was brought in to investigate their assemblies and data management, we performed a large assembly performance audit, PDM health check, and a PDM audit. After assessing DECT's assemblies, we recommended that DECT take advantage of the Javelin Large Assembly Productivity Service to teach Calvin and his team how the software operates under the hood during opening and rebuilding phases, how to identify what causes slowdowns, and how to solve those problems. It was also important for users to learn best practices for creating fast and clean large assemblies. Javelin didn't just do the work. They taught us what levers they pulled to make a difference. We learned the implications of how we were doing CAD, such as how the display states and section views were affecting our work. Unused elements and suppressed components were creating errors and bloated models. Calvin's team learned that when they don't need to see great detail, working with unsuppressed assembly components is unnecessary. When vendor models come in, there's an excessive detail. Now we know that if we don't need to see the detailed thread pattern, we can get rid of it, and we didn't know we had so much control over opening individual parts. The team now works faster than they ever have before. They claim it's no exaggeration when they say that their assemblies open 10 times faster. So Javelin delivered team training remotely from Canada as well, and it was recorded for anyone who couldn't attend live or for future hires. Even advanced users learned golden tips during Javelin's training sessions. Now let's talk about PDM. Javelin's PDM health check and audit revealed areas for improvement. Again, the DECT PDM system was organized well enough for one person, but not efficient when multiple users contribute to the same files. So the PDM health check starts with the customer showing how they use PDM first, and then we recommend improvements and build it specific to the customer operations. Initially, they were using PDM for file storage like a Google Drive, but now are using it to manage workflow and collaboration, resulting in a more efficient file structure. Projects can be checked out and understood which stage they're at. Files can be tagged to bypass review or request review. They can also see if files have been to the vendor or if parts have been released. These are all functions of PDM that they now take advantage of. Overall, that meant modifying the existing workflow to suit current business processes. DECT now has a faster, better file search function, automated processes such as file conversions, and using SOLIDWORKS PDM tasks and email notifications to speed up drawing review and approval. With PDM use elevated, more people at DECT are beginning to understand how it can be a meaningful tool across the company. So DECT started benefiting from their investment in training and services quickly, putting new methods into practice right away. There will always be emergencies competing for your attention. You have to devote the time to learning to be better off in the long term, and Javelin has been a well-oiled machine. They have what I need and the people and processes for deployment and follow-up. We look forward to continuing to work with DECT. You can learn more about DECT at dect.com. Also, check out our large assembly and data management services we offer by clicking the links in the description. Or get in contact with us and we can help you find the best solutions for the challenges you're facing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.